Hey YouTubers, I'm Jacob and this is my 2-month review of Coverlay Manufacturing interior accessory kit installed on my 1979 Ford Bronco. First off, I want to thank Coverlay for being a sponsor for this project and providing quality aftermarket parts made right here in the USA. All right, let's get into it. Coverlay is a veteran-owned company out of San Angelo, Texas, providing aftermarket door panels and dash pads and other accessories for a wide range of vehicles. My 79 Bronco was in desperate need of an interior refresh with heavily cracked and faded dash pad and door panels. I turned to Coverlay's interior accessory kit, which provides the dash cover and door panels. It's also available in 12 generic color options, also coming with all the fasteners that's needed to mount them up and RTV glue to glue this dash cover on, as well as an included color-matched armrest. Now these panels are made out of a durable ABS plastic that are vacuum molded in-house and then painted to the desired color. I chose dark blue and I think it looks really good with this midnight metallic paint job. It's not a true color match per vehicle, it is a generic color, but I think it really complements the vehicle well and gives it a nice rich look and makes the interior look way better than it did before. Now it's making me want to finish out the rest of the interior. All right, so let's get into the pros and cons. We'll start off with the pros. First off, this is a huge upgrade from the old cracked and faded panels that I had, giving it a whole new look and appearance. Also, the color matched padded armrest is a huge upgrade. If you were to look for new armrests out there, it's really hard to find color match armrests. Most of them only come in black nowadays. Also, all the provided hardware comes with the set for mounting the panels and even a new screw in the cup. In fact, you don't even have to buy a cup because it's molded into these new panels as well. So saving you having to buy other parts with this full package. So these panels are not true replicas of the original. There are some improvements they've made to them, like the new armrest, the included cup, but also the speaker size is bigger. So it's slightly larger than the factory ones and deeper to accommodate a little bit deeper speaker that may stick out more than the originals, which is really great because I did add some upgraded marine grade kickers in here and they fit really well. Another pro is that the dash cover comes with the RTV silicone needed to install it. So you don't have to go out and buy silicone to install this. It comes with everything that you need to install the dash cover. And something I really like about this dash cover too is the rich leather graining that they give it so that it has that leather or vinyl appearance that the original dash cover did. And you can actually feel it too. It's 3D. I mean, it feels real. It feels like it could be vinyl, but it's the ABS molded plastic. It is a cover, so it slides over the pad. In order to do that, I did remove the old cracked vinyl and sand up the foam some before gluing this down. And I've got the full install video for the dash cover and the door panels, and I'll include it here at the end of this video, so make sure to stick around until the end of the video. Another pro is that Coverlay has a 48 to 72 hour window that they will ship these panels out after you order them. So they'll paint them to one of the 12 colors that they have on hand and ship them out within 48 to 72 hours. So if you're building a project for someone or trying to complete a project before a show, it's really nice on how quick of a turnaround that they have and being able to get it to you quickly so that you can finish your build. My last pro is that these panels are very easy to install. It just takes a little bit of time being able to remove the old ones and install the new ones. The longest part is allowing the RTV to dry. They recommend 6 hours, but I really think 24 is the right number for allowing it to dry properly before you take off on a trip or start driving around or start using the vehicle. That way the RTV doesn't want to lift up. Now the fit of this panel is absolutely incredible. I really only had to do a little bit of trimming of the foam and it looks original. The nice thing is with the cover, rather than going with a pad, it's much easier to install. With a pad, you have to undo all the screws from the underside of the dash, meaning you might have to remove a lot of other stuff just to get those screws out. And with the cover, it's not that difficult. You just remove the old vinyl, sand it up, and then glue down the cover and you're done. All right, so now that we talked about the pros, let's talk about the cons. The door panels don't come with any new insulation. It's not really a deal breaker for me. I had some on hand and you could use the old insulation. There's nothing wrong with the old mineral wool. It just may be a little dusty or dirty. I decided to throw mine away and I installed some Killmat soundproofing with Silis thermal insulation overlaid on it. But that's just a con that I wanted to point out, that there isn't any insulation included with the door panels. So my key takeaways are start, if you are in the market for new door panels and dash pad for your classic vehicle, definitely check out Coverlay. They provide a quality product and you get the whole package if you want the whole accessory package, or you could buy just the door panels or just the dash pad cover. All of the colors will match between them, and that's what I really like, because you're not piecing together multiple products hoping that they have the same color. They will match right from the factory. Options for many other vehicles, not just the 79 Bronco, pretty much all makes and models. Also, they have a quick turnaround in time, so if you're doing a build for somebody, they're going to ship out between 48 and 72 hours, and they are very easy to install, so you could get it installed and be turned around ready for your show or whatever it may be for a client within, I would say, 24 hours once you receive the panels. So if you're in the market for new panels, go to coverlaymanufacturing.com. I've included the link in the description below. Thanks for watching my review video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, smash on that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. Thanks for watching.